Hey everyone, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Welcome to the thunderlaser application lab. Today, I'm going to show you where all the magic happens, where we test, research, and create high-quality samples that powers our laser machine. I am here with Alex, one of the masterminds behind our laser test and our application lab. First of all, thank you so much to welcome us in the core place of thunderlaser. Could you please just tell us a little bit more about this lab, about the purpose of this lab?
Okay, at thunderlaser, our mission is to build machines that deliver flawless performance and top-tier quality. Whether you are engraving, doing 3D engraving, cutting, or marking.
Okay.
Here in the application lab, we experiment a wide range of materials and.
Okay, so that's very interesting. So you just mean we test a lot of materials on a lot of different machines with different settings just to try to find the optimal setting, just to get the best of the capacity of the machine of the thunderlaser we have?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much. And now, how about we just have a walk and you show us all how it works and all this wonderful machine? Okay? Thank you. Let's go.
As you can see, this is where all the action happens. We work with a wide variety of materials from wood and acrylic to metal and leather and beyond.
Okay.
Our team handles everything from laser testing to fine-tuning perimeter setups, making sure every sample meets the highest quality standards.
Okay, that's great. Really, really impressive. And so, if I well understood, you are testing on more than 100 different kind of material.
Yes.
And all this just to propose the best settings and the best possibility of all the laser machines that are proposed by thunderlaser. This is exactly what's happened when some customers feel a little bit lost because they are using maybe new machine or they are using new material they don't used to work with. They feel a little bit lost, and in this time, they contact you directly.
Yes, of course they can.
Okay, and like this you can make the test and propose them the best setting for their specific application. And here is something truly special, our sample wall. This is where we keep part of the material and parameter test we used to do. From engraving effects to cutting precision, every sample shows the result of our meticulous testing process. In this first section of our sample wall, we test over 100 different materials, including woods, acrylic, metal, leather, and so on, to determine the best laser setting for each one. As you can see, three different totally different kind of material. We have linen, we have carbon fiber, and also we have the anodized aluminum. All this is just a part of all the material that are tested here. In this section, we compare how different settings such as power, speed, DPI, and focal offset affect the quality of engraving and cutting results. This is the test of the effect of the DPI. Different DPI, for sure the DPI is also what we call the precision, the dot per inch. And you can see here clearly the difference when we have 50 DPI, 300 DPI, and 600 DPI. Here, we run a test matrix, modifying two parameters at the same time, as you can see here, okay? Speed and power, to find the optimal combination that gives the best results. Because this is very interesting test. Here, we call it matrix test. We are making vary two parameters at the same time. Here, for example, the speed and the power. And we can see the influence and choose which one is the best for different kind of application, which couple of value are the best. Either for engraving, and we do the same for cutting. In this section, we test how different laser types, such as CO2, MOPA, Q-switch, and UV interact with various kinds of materials. Each laser has its own unique properties that affect performances. This is what you can exactly see here. On different metal, different color ranges depending on the laser source. This is just amazing, and this is what we use, for example, when we want to perform a colorful engraving on metal samples. Okay, so now, just what we talked about before, let's go through a real customer case.
A client came to us with a specific request. They wanted to cut and engrave laser material. Their goal was to achieve precise engraving without compromising on speed.
Okay.
We started by filling out a detailed test request sheet with materials, specs, desired results, and acceptable tolerances. With this information, we kicked off the testing process.
Okay, and so first you fill this request sheet, and after that perform all the tests according the customer request to find all the optimized setting and help him to see exactly what he should do, which customized setting he should use to get exactly what he wants.
Yes.
Okay, so thanks a lot for joining us today on this tour of the Thunder Application Lab. We hope that you've learned a bit more about how we ensure the best laser performance and quality for all our machines. Alex, thank you very much to welcome us today. It was a wonderful tour and we learned a lot. Thank you so much. Hope to see you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much and stay tuned for the next video.